Hello, David here at MarineMax Lake Hopatcong. Behind me is a brand new model, the Sea Ray 23 SDX. This is a 2026. The 23 SDX is a compact design with confident capability, very large boat and a small package. You can see we have classic Sea Ray blue with a white hull. We're on a painted dual axle trailer. We have a Dune accent. As I move around back of the boat, we have SeaDek on the swim platform, submersible swim platform, with a Bravo 3 outdrive and a 300 horsepower engine. Let's get up on deck and take a look at the rest of the boat. Okay, we moved up on deck. I'm all the way up in the bow. I apologize for the wind. We're right here on the lake. We have a bow ladder in the front with anchor storage. Storage underneath every single cushion. You can see the windshield is offset asymmetrical. With that, we have a nice block-through door. This is redesigned to chamfer in so it doesn't blow open on those windy days. There's storage on the port side. There's a teak table in here with the table mount. A glove box on the port side as well with a charge port inside. Our passenger has the option to control the stereo. Of course, the captain has the option as well through our dual SIM-RAD screens. All of our switches, tilt steering wheel, digital throttle, digital shift. Unique for the 23 SDX, starting the SDX lineup, is this large head compartment. This door opens wide. The top opens up. Regular size adult to get in there. We also have cushions in there that cover up the head to make an area to get out of the sun if you need to. Of course, positive close latches. SeaDek is underneath my feet. This goes through the entire boat. With every SDX lineup, we have flip-up bolsters, movable seat cushions to enhance the entertainment area back here. There's inductive wireless chargers and the cup holders on the side, large storage area underneath my feet, a power tower with bimini top above my head, a rear sun lounge, upgraded sound system, lighting package. This boat is fully loaded. Even has the forward bow shade with the fiberglass poles that covers the front if you need to. This boat is available at MarineMax Lake Hopatcong. Come on down and take a look. Let's look at the rest of the boat. Thank you.